Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Avery Sivar. So today again I'm came with another portable Bluetooth speaker. The brand will be Marshall. The model will be Emberton 2. So same in all Bluetooth speaker. The topology will be same. Buck boosting, amplifier section, controlling thing, everything will be same. So based on the design, they will do the systems and all. So here you will get a small 1.5 inches two subwoofer speakers along with two radiators. So this is what the radiator thing. This is what two radiators you will get. So this is one side and this is another side, like you will get a speaker face will be this side and this side. So two radiators, two speakers, and one battery pack. So here the issue customer like given for us, like a jarring sound is there. So they, for using purpose, they have to connect, they have to must and should they have to connect the charging cable to speaker, like to charging the thing. So then only they can use it for a while. And the battery also showing a full charging, but still they are not getting any backup, and like they are not able to use also, because it's a jarring, like high jarring and all. Why means here the topology will be like a slide. If it depends on the current also, because majorly it's working on a voltage only, buck boosting and all. So slight current difference in the battery is showing a huge difference in the circuit here, in the buck boosting circuit. So like the frequency will be dropped, because in like same as in a rectifier, if we place a capacitor in a parallel, so the frequency will be in, it will be chopped like that. Some technology, like some calculation is there. So like that it's giving a problem here. So we have, this is what the new original Emberton thing battery. So now we have changed a new thing. So this is what the new battery pack. So it's working fine actually. And this is the inside view. So two speaker, two radiators, this is the board, single board, and here you will get a Bluetooth chip along with the controller board. So this is what thing inside the Marshall Emberton 2. And if anyone requires any service related to any portable speakers, even that too in a premium segment only, not even a local thing and all, I'm not giving service. So kindly requesting, so if anyone requires any premium service, so kindly do contact Dr. Avery Sivar. Thank you and all. I'm located in Bangalore, Elanka, Chikka Bommasandra only. So thank you, bye bye.